shame that I don't like the wagon.
The roof line is such a big
But
part of the way this car
the wagon was in Herald and Mod, right? Or was it one of these?
They made it into a hearse.
Oh.
Yeah,
It was a Jaguar, was it? Wasn't a Volvo.
Jag.
But it was the.
Somebody replicated it. You can Google that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was
Wow.
2+2
Probably. Yeah. If somebody made one.
This thing is
they,
just.
They, like, studied it more. Yeah, no, Craig, you're gonna have to come over and help me take the top off.
Wait, you weren't kidding. It is an actual bellows, isn't it?
Yeah.
So does it just. It's
Pretty
like
much.
an accordion?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah, this thing is a bunch
okay,
of
so-
weird early shit that is.
Is that hooked up directly to your brake pedal?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Why these things are so hardcore is it's all fucking mechanical.
Yeah.
So you blow this thing apart into 10,000 pieces. It's springs, pulleys, little tiny. It's fucking nuts.
Damn.
If you guys are bored, I'll like share you like the. I'll share the Dropbox of every like assembly being restored piece by piece. It's like I almost threw up in this car. I went to visit and it pulled apart.
Is it just
on
a
shelves?
bunch
Like,
of-
literally,
It's probably never looked this good.
I
other
was
than
like,
the day you bought it.
I almost puked. Like I got that nervous. I was like, I don't know how you put it back together. I don't know how to work on this fucking car. It's Ted.
It's dead.
I tried to like fix something and immediately like 55 washers like fell on the ground. Some little screw like I'm like, okay, never mind. Hey Ted, you want to come to my house real quick? I turned a screwdriver. He's like, why did you pick up a screwdriver? I'm like, I didn't realize there was like 10 steps
This is cool.
to fixing
This is
one.
like
This is huge.
hard. Is Ted
Yeah.
pretty good with these?
He's the best.
Do you know how many?
So this thing came tuned right by the shop, and I was like, "Oh, that's fast." Then Ted did it, and it was like razor blade sharp too.
That's
it's
amazing.
Like, it's like
He's a fucking
Driving?
maestro.
it's like driving. Ted took me for a ride in this when he had to test it out. It just pulls.
It's just fast.
It has throttle for days.
And I'm just
exactly what
learning
you
it.
want out of these cars. You're like, this is it.
I'm just learning. I've had fast cars, but this is like, it drives like it's on its tippy toes, like a spider. It's very, like it's I
That's
don't know.
why they were probably competitive.
Well,
You know how many
and
Fords
they
are
they
in
just
this?
ride really well. They're their own deal.
7 to 14 recommended.
Wait, what is?
7 to 14 quarts recommended for the oil.
Yeah,
7 to 14.
This thing has 14 quarts of oil.
It's not a
And
cheap
they
oil
usually,
change.
yeah, the good thing is 14.
And I didn't check it this morning. I'm just assuming it's full. Ted checked it.
Where's the dipstick on this? Does it even have one?
Yeah, it's on the side.
Oh, okay.
It's
Oh, it's
held,
literally.
it's held on by a leather latch. Wish.
I know these things are fucking
It's a 3.8
animal.
liter?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yep.
Did you see the interior of this?
What size tires are you?
It's incredible.
For
It's like,
205s.
why? I mean, I see why.
Yeah, these
So you
are
won
all-
number 1 in North America
These,
with
are,
this.
these wheels are
Wow.
wider than stock.
For Series 1 E-Types.
Oh, I know.
Yeah. It's a three-way average to win.
Driving wise, that's like the biggest.
And did you like have judges in every corner and cranny of this? Is there a guy like with like a?
JCNA judging is you don't go anything below the knee. So it's everything you can see, and then you have like a whole list of things you check. And cleanliness is actually most of it.
Yeah.
Because most judges don't know all the ins and outs. So they have to have some like, they check your trunk. Like I had to have 5 metal, like these are original Dunlop, you know, like for a 61 E-Type.
That's what would be on there.
Yeah, like these came from England.
Is there a guy like with a stethoscope listening to the motors, like the right vibration?
No.
I'm gonna dock you 100 points because
No, the colors.
the idle is off.
The colors.
The colors.
Textures. So like one of my first deductions, see this like kind of greenish, bluish?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So those were silver. They've been cad plated and not green, that green color. So I got a 1/10 of a point deduction for
Because
the
of
wrong
that.
color. And then like the nut with the copper washer,
Wow.
you know, that kind
Wow.
of stuff will get you. Different hammer tone finishes.
That center console is like art.
Yeah.
It reminds me of like, you know, almost. I mean, I'm not saying compare it to a Bugatti, but I drove a buddy.
Yeah.
It has a T37. It's got that hammered, beautiful.
Engine turn.
Yeah, it just looks.
The whole interchange, all the little like here's one that, so now I'd get deducted.
Yeah, I used to, on my 7 series.
The early ones had this brick color for the wire loom. They didn't like that in the judging book.
Yeah.
So I got a deduction,
Alright.
they wanted it black.
Well, Cruz, we'll do 93 to Coal Creek Canyon, and then we'll make a left on Coal Creek, and we'll go up a little ways and pull over and get all the cars lined up. And
Wait, where's Coal Creek from here?
we're gonna make a right once we, we'll make a right here, and then another right, and then we'll go. You'll see us, and we'll make a left.
Like, is Coal Creek that way or that way?
It's that way. It's about maybe 2.5, 3 miles. Pretty close. Woo! Beep, beep, beep. Woo!
Woo!
All right.
Race car.
I think the Jag pulled over.
They blow up?
I don't know. Let's try to get in here real quick.
Yeah, probably not a bad idea.
Let's go. Let's go.
Whoa. Well, we were supposed to go on our drive here, but the Jaguar, the show car winner, has died. So
It's beautiful.
it almost made it out onto the street, and he made a joke about it. I should have brought a trailer, and that joke is real because he's gonna need a trailer.
Oh no. All right.
Is it getting no fuel?
It should be, the fuel pump should be running, clicking that right now.
Where is the fuel pump at?
It's just
Wait, are the buckets?
Because is it linked to the ignition? So there's the one fuel line, right? It's going right up to the front, right on this right side.
Yeah, I think
Right.
I'm looking at a brake line on this side.
So I think that clear line underneath is my guess, unless that's the return. That's right.
Oh yeah.
It's right here. So
How convenient.
yeah, it's literally right.
3 days into Ferrari ownership, my alternator went out and stranded me on the side of the road. That was a great feeling as everybody's driving by. And then,
Hey, nice car.
Yeah.
Broke it down.
yeah. And then once
Texas from Georgia. And I'm stuck behind a platinum dick goblin behind Georgia.
Georgia.
No, do not stop at the railroad tracks, dingle dick. Let's go.